Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're playing this one, but I am so excited to get this thing. And also I have 329 tickets, and I'm going to get a what? Wait, what's that? Oh, I'm going to get the full family by saving out the tickets. I already got Cobalt and Crimson right here. So we're gonna get the wait first. Yesterday I got 100 million honey from on it by doing his Christmas task, I think. Yeah, his Christmas. So we're going to get to the end challenge. So yeah, when I record, it just get a little lag. You got 202 million honey right here. Let's. Hello, Gummy Bee. I'll get you. I'll get you. Please. Please, can I make it? Please. No, I can't. Okay, I glitched. I can't. Dang it. Guys, I'll get there. So, okay guys, I couldn't make it. So, I think we'll get the boots first. Yeah, I also got tons of blueberries and other stuff. Mochi right there. Here we go. Onto the shop. Helicopter. I can finally get the freaking, and I also got super smoothie, which is also hard to get. Almost got 50 gingerbread there. And I got 2 star jelly. Oh, 3. I forgot. Let's get the boots. Oh, wow. Let's get cracked it. There you go. Oh yeah, I ran like Sonic right now. Yeah, with my new boots. Whoa, jump higher. Bump into the wall. Okay, this might go good. Guys, I just failed and I just quickly jumped and I got it. Here you go. Open glowing gift box. What are you gonna give me? Great, I can't see. Ooh, wow. Oh, wow. 10 glue, 4 gingerbread pears, 20 neon berries. Wow, that's a great gift. Guys, now we're getting porcelain pour pie, which is the hardest for me to get. For all the grinding I got. And I got 37 million honey left to spend on. So I'll let you guys suggest which one of the guards should I get. Should I get the buckle or rally? Just type in the comment down below. I just got confused just now. Okay, here we go. Just type comment down below. Should I get buckle or rally first? Because if I get to 60 million honey, I don't know what to do with it. Or should I get? Make sure not to press anything. Got that. Got that. Got that. Porcelain dipper. Here we go. Porcelain power hive plus 400,000 capacity plus 250 convert rate, 10% instant convert rate, 50% white power. See, this is what I want. 3, boom. Did my pollen go up? This thing is huge. 2 million. Wow. I like it. 2 million. It went up by a lot. I like it. Now, me to get it, let's head over to Cactus Field. Because we're actually missing the porcelain dipper. Wait. I want to test something. Since this is the new one, come on, whatever. Oh my gosh, look at it. Okay guys, so I'll end up right here in B1 Simulator. Wow, it's getting me like, and I'll get this cactus field done. I'll just pause, then I'll get this thing immediately because I got converter honeycomb dipper. Yeah guys, I think I'll leave this video until here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe and like to my video and turn on the notification down below so that way you never miss one of my video like this. Getting a little lag. Great. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.